Here's a quick bike check. Start up here. FSA Impact headset. Fly grips. Fly bars. Raw. Did that myself. Verde forks. Fly front hub. Primo binary pegs. Verde forks. Verde stem. Primo, I don't know what that is. These are just forged. Stock rims. Odyssey Atkins tires, white walls.
Mankind Justice.
Mankind. Greenhouse pivotal seat. Stolen wedge post. It's slammed because they don't have one of these bolts. Gonna get a new one. Stolen class ring. Sprocket 25. And 9 tooth in the back on the Federal V2 free coaster hub. E-clad tibia cranks. Odyssey twisteds. And another Primo peg in the back. These are Primo spokes with Alex something stock rim. Another Odyssey tire back here. And